Hello, friends. Today's topic of discussion is data analyst versus data scientist and understanding the difference. So, good morning, everyone. Let's begin the session. In today's data driven world, two roles often sound similar but serve very different purposes: the data analyst and the data scientist. A data analyst focuses on understanding what has already happened. They work with structured data, clean it, analyze trends, create dashboards, and generate reports that help business make informed decisions. Their goal is clarity and actionable insights. But a data scientist, on the other hand, looks beyond the past to predict the future. They use advanced statistics, machine learning, and programming to build models that forecast outcomes, detect patterns, and solve complex business problems. Data scientists often work with large, unstructured datasets and design algorithms that can learn and improve over time. In simple terms, if I want to explain you, data analysts explain what is happening and why, while data scientists predict what will happen next and how to influence it. Both roles are critical. Choosing between them depends on your skills, interest, and career goals. But the starting point is data analyst. And slowly, as your experience grows, you grow towards data scientist. Now let's discuss on the roles and focus. One is historian versus futurist. A data analyst is a historian. Their focus is on the past, what already happened and why. They track, analyze, structure data, create dashboards, track KPIs, and help business make sense of trends. For example, in a bank, a data analyst reviews last quarter's transaction data and discover that credit card defaults increased by 12% in a specific region. These insights help leadership tighten the risk policies. The next is a data scientist, on the other hand, is futuristic. Their role is to predict what will happen next. They use machine learning, statistics, and advanced models to forecast outcomes and automate decisions. In the same bank, a data scientist built a predictive model that identifies customers likely to default before it happens, enabling proactive intervention. In short, data analysis explains the past, while data scientist shapes the future. Both roles are powerful, just with different lenses on time. Let's discuss now on the skills and tools from SQL to machine learning. In today's data-driven world, understanding the difference between a data analyst and a data scientist is more important than ever. Data analysts focus on structure and clarity. Their toolkits include SQL, Excel, Python, and visualizations tools like Power BI or Tableau. They clean data, analyze trends, and create reports that explain what happened and why it happened, turning raw numbers into actionable business insights. Data scientists, on the other hand, however, move beyond analysis into discovery. Their arsenal expands to machine learning, statistics, probability, and advanced programming. They design experiments, build predictive models, and develop algorithms that learn from data over time. Rather than working only with structured datasets, they tackle ambiguity, unstructured data, complex patterns, and future outcomes. The difference isn't just about tools, it's about mindset. Data analysts interrupt the past, while data scientists shape the future, transforming data into intelligent, adaptive, and drive innovation. Let's discuss on the education and career path for data analysts and data scientists. The entry point is data analyst. Most data analysts enter the field with a bachelor's degree in STEM fields like mathematics, statistics, computer science, or business-related disciplines like economics, finance, business analytics. The entry barrier is more accessible with emphasis on practical skills like SQL, Excel, and data visualization tools. Many professionals transition into analytics from related fields through boot camps or online certifications. Their career progression and analysts gain experience. They develop deeper statistical knowledge and programming skill. Many choose to specialize in specific industries, healthcare, finance, marketing, automobile, banking, or advance to senior analyst or manager roles. This intermediate stage is where professionals decide whether to deepen their business acumen or pivot toward the technical complexity of data science. On the other hand, the advanced path is the data scientist. Data scientist typically requires advanced degrees, masters or PhDs in data science, statistics, computer science, or related quantitative fields. The role demands deep expertise in mathematics, machine learning, theory, and software engineering. Many successful data scientists spend 3 to 5 years as analysts before transitioning, building the domain knowledge and business intuition that complements the technical prowess. Let's discuss why it matters, the growing demand and impact of data analyst and data scientist. In today's data-driven economy, the demand for data professional is growing faster than ever, but not all roles are the same. Data analysts and data scientists both work with data, yet their impact and demand differ in important ways. Data analysts focus on understanding what happened and why it happened. They turn raw data into dashboards, reports, and insight that guide daily business decisions. With organizations across banking, fintech, healthcare, retail relying on real-time insights, the demand for data analysts continuously to rise. Data scientists, on the other hand, focus on what will happen next. They build predictive models, apply machine learning, and solve complex problems that drive automation and innovation. As AI adoption accelerates, data scientists plays a critical role in shaping future-ready businesses. Understanding this difference helps you choose the right path and build skills that truly matters in involving the data economy. As you embrace your data journey, so I summarize. While data analysts and data scientists both work with one common goal, the data, the roles are clearly different. A data analyst focuses on understanding historical data, creating dashboards, reports, and insights that help business make informed decisions. The strength lies in SQL, Excel, visualization tools, and business interpretation. On the other hand, a data scientist goes a step further, using advanced statistics, machine learning, and programming to predict future outcomes and build intelligent models. They work with large, complex data sets and focus more on forecasting, automation, and experimentation. In conclusion, if you enjoy storytelling with data and business insights, data analytics may be right path for you. If you love algorithms, modeling, and predictive problem solving, data science could be your calling. If this breakdown helped you, please subscribe to my channel for more beginner friendly data content. A new video is coming soon, guys, where we explore career path tools and real world projects. So stay tuned. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.